Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 206. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 9. 5 and 9 here, so this is our 2. And I don't see any other help here, so 5, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 6, 7, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 4, 6, 7. 9 and 7 here, so 4, 6. 7 covering both of these boxes, and a 6 here, so 4, 9. 9 and 7 here, so 4, 6. So if we look back now, this is the only place the 9 can be, and this is the only place the 7 can be. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 5. We've got the 1 and 5 here, so 2, 4. 1 here, so 2, 4, 5. 1 and 2 here, so 4, 5. 2 here, so 1, 4, 5. But if we look, the only place the 1 can be is here. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and 8. We've got the 7 covering all 3 of these boxes, so the 7 has to be here. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 8. No help here, 3, 6, 8, and no help here, 3, 6, 8. If we look at this top row, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 5, 6, 1 here, so 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, and 9 here. So this is our 1. And we can get rid of this 1. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 8, 3. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. No help here, 4, 5, 6. We've got the 6 here, so 4, 5. But now if we look, the only place in that row our 6 can be is here. And we can get rid of this 6. If we look at this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got the 3 there, so 4, 5. That means that our 3 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 8. We've got the 7 here, so 4, 5, 8. 7 here, so 4, 5, 8, 7 here, 8 here, so 4, 5, 4, 5, and 8 covering this box, so this is our 7. And I'm just noticing on this bottom row, the only place the 6 can be is here, and that makes this our 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing, oh, hold on a second, that 4 makes this our 2. So now for this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. And if we look at this column now, the only place the 2 can be is here. And we can get rid of this 2. All right, if we look at this column, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 6. That makes this our 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 3, 6. For this row now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 5. No help here. 2, 5, 9. But if we look in this, oh, nope, that's not right either. We'll just keep moving on. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. No help here. 1, 2, 4. 1 and 2 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 1, 2. That 2 makes this our 5, 9, 2. That 5 makes this our 6, 9, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. And for this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. So let's see what we can clean up here. The 4 and 8 here makes this our 5. This 5 makes this our 4, and that 4 and 5 makes this our 8. That 5 makes this our 4, 5, and that 5 makes this our 4, 5. And I think we did it, folks. There we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.